Welcome to the Genomelink at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product and further details are included in the description below. Genomelink is a unique at-home DNA service tailored for those who have already completed a DNA test through providers like Ancestry DNA or 23andMe. Instead of requiring a new sample, Genomelink allows you to upload existing raw DNA data to unlock additional insights about your personality traits, wellness, cognitive abilities, and even ancient ancestry. The standout feature of Genomelink is its focus on expanding what you can learn from your DNA data. It offers over 250 traits across multiple categories, such as nutrition, fitness, personality, intelligence, and ancestry. Examples include insights into your potential for memory retention, creative abilities, social behaviors, or predispositions to nutrient absorption. The platform is user-friendly, presenting these traits in an engaging and easy-to-digest manner. Genomelink is designed for those who want to dive deeper into their genetic story without needing to purchase an entirely new DNA test. The subscription-based service also updates with new traits and reports regularly, ensuring you always have access to the latest genetic discoveries. One particularly intriguing feature is the Ancestry reports, which delve into ancient ancestry timelines, offering a broader view of your heritage compared to standard ancestry platforms. While Genomelink excels at providing lifestyle-related genetic insights, it's important to note that it doesn't offer health risk assessments or disease predictions. If you're seeking medical insights, you may need to combine it with other services. However, for lifestyle optimization and self-discovery, Genomelink shines as an affordable and comprehensive add-on to existing DNA data. In conclusion, Genomelink is perfect for the curious and self-aware who want to extract more value from their existing DNA data. Its expanding library of traits, affordable pricing, and focus on self-improvement make it a worthwhile choice. If you're interested, check the links in the description to see how Genomelink can help you better understand yourself through the lens of your DNA.